In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Git Bash with Visual Studio Code in Windows PC. At first, open a browser, search for Git download and go to this link, download this one. After downloading, click on right button and run as administrator to install it. Install it as it is, so simple. Click on next. Just after completing the installation, click on finish. Then open your Visual Studio Code. Then open any file you want to edit. Then go to file, then go to preferences and setting. From there, click on features, go to terminal, scroll down a bit, click on edit in setting.json file, sorry, this one for Windows. Then delete everything except those curly braces. Press Ctrl S. Go to this link. I'll provide in the video description, or I may provide this code. Then copy this one for Git Bash. Open Visual Studio Code, paste it here, press Ctrl S and exit from the Visual Studio Code once. Open Visual Studio Code once more. Open any file and click on terminal. Check, here it is. It has changed to Bash. Thanks for watching.